In this video, we will discuss security within the Canary system and introduce the identity service and see how it supports that role. We will then look at where this service is installed in the system architecture. The identity service is responsible for authenticating and authorizing clients that connect to the Canary system. This includes Axiom, the Excel add-in, the Canary Admin, ODBC clients, API clients, and remote views. As such, the identity service contains all the access control lists within the system which permit what a user can or cannot do. For example, a user who wants to log into Axiom must first be in the Axiom logon access control list, or be in a group in that list. If the user does not have the proper permission, they will be denied access. Because several Canary services must connect to the identity service to authenticate and authorize its users, the identity service must be installed somewhere on the network where it can be reached by these other services. Typically, it is installed local to the historian. At most, only one identity service is needed per network. If the network contains multiple historian and collector servers, they will all connect to the same identity service. If a network contains multiple layers which prevents one level from communicating with another, an identity service may be needed at each, depending on what Canary services reside there. Take for instance this scenario, where data is logged to a historian on the OT network, but then forwarded up through a DMZ and into the IT network. Assuming users are connecting at both levels to consume data, an identity service will be needed for each system.